This is a 1940 model Piper Cub that I built when I was probably about 16 years old, 15, 16 years old. So now I'm starting to restore it. I've kept it all these years, and I'm starting to restore it again, re-gluing the fuselage a little bit, and it's still real nice and straight after all those years. The fuselage and everything has been warped over those years. So this the fuselage is just about ready for recovering again. And this is the wing part. And I started taking the old covering off. Now I'm going to put new covering on the wings too. So I'm trying to bring it back to the original condition that it was in 1940.
Now why are those wings, aren't they straight?
Yeah?
Why aren't the wings straight?
There are a lot of dihedral because it's a free flight model. It's not radio controlled. It's a free flight model. So for free flights you needed a lot of dihedral in the wings to keep for more stability.
What, did you use a rubber band or something to fly it?
No, it was powered by, I'll show you the engine. No, it was powered by a Brown, they call it a Brown Junior engine. That's a 1940 model Brown engine. And that the airplane was powered by that engine. So it's an old engine, but over 70 years old, and it's an ignition engine.
What do you got?
It's an ignition engine, and this is the gas tank for it. You screw the gas tank underneath the engine.
Looks like the gas tank's in pretty good shape.
Yeah, well, the gas tank, I had to have a new one made because the old gas tank was made out of probably like a celluloid material, or bakelite, or what they call it in those days. And over the years that has deteriorated and cracked and everything too. So I had no idea where to get parts for it to buy a new gas tank. And I have a grandson, Matthew, that attends school at MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. And he's an engineering student. And I took all the specs. He asked me if there's something he could build for me, because they have access to metalworking equipment at times. He asked me for something like this. I said, well, sure, you can make a new gas tank for my 1940 Brown Junior engine. And so I sent him the specs for it, the sizes and everything. And he turned down a new gas tank out of a block of aluminum. See, they're small, but you didn't put a lot of gas in them when they're free flight. You don't want them to get too far away. So that was manufactured at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in their engineering department. Between Matthew, the engineering student, and some of the instructors in the metalworking section. So I got a new gas tank. And I think that's quite unique to have MIT to make a new gas tank for my 70-some-year-old engine. So now the engine is complete. It's an ignition engine. It has a spark plug and a coil and a condenser. And they burn, you can burn regular car gas in it and mixed with 70 weight oil. And that's what in those days, what they used. So that the engine was sitting on the nose of this airplane. Back in 1940.
Flown on the farm.
Fun on the farm. When I lived on the farm, we had plenty of room to fly free-flight airplanes. And that was before the days of proportional radio control. And it was I had much fun building that airplane, and I'm having fun restoring it. And this is I'd make a new landing gear for it. This is the landing gear for it. It's made out of piano wire, and the fillets are made out of balsa wood in the landing gear. So it'll go on the just like that wheel. These are tricular balloon. It isn't pumped up now. They get bigger when you pump them. So this is the landing gear. So that's what the original 1940 McGow, what's the kit name was McGow. These are the plans for it. I still have plans for it, so I can build another airplane if I want to. I probably might build a replica for it and fly it again, but I don't know why I fly this whole time. I'm afraid I'll smash it or something, you know. And the next step is to start putting the covering on the fuselage, and I use the fabric coverall, thick coverall, just like the fabric, and use regular airplane dope for the paint. So I try to do like the original airplane. So this is the start. Now when I get a little further on, we'll get some more pictures. So someday it'll start looking like old airplane again.
Yep. Well, good. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you next time.